Today I'm going to be doing a creative portrait photo shoot using things like a lighter, some feathers, and a lamp from IKEA. Also, we have some string we might use. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use these to get some amazing indoor portraits. So we have first the desk lamp from IKEA. It's fairly inexpensive. I bought this online. I'm going to turn it on and show you guys. Look at that beautiful glow it gives Angelica. So something like this would be great if you're shooting indoors, if it's gloomy outside and you don't have a lot of available light, or if it's dark out, you can use something like this. So let's get started. Wait, why am I turning it off? We need it. I'm like, let's get started, and I turn it off. Also today I'll be using my 51.4 lens with my Canon 5D Mark IV. And I'm also kind of tapering off the lamp and kind of feathering it this way so it's not directly in Angelica's face. So it's not direct light. Looking here? Great. You think this is how they light movies? They have someone with the desk lamp from IKEA. They're like, yeah, there you go. Good job, Steven. Yeah, stay right there. Side light makes the photo a bit more interesting, so I would definitely recommend you guys try side light. Kind of fingers right here, yeah. We've placed the desk lamp behind Angelica to do some last backlit shots. Looking out towards the window, your bird feeder, yeah. Are there any birds?
There usually is a ton, but I think they're all like flying.
They're like, we're not trying to be in Jessica's video today.
Yeah.
The next cool thing you can use for your photo shoot is a lighter. Love these for photos. Be super careful using them. You don't want to light your house on fire. That wouldn't be good. No. When you are using a lighter, also please use it safely. Take extreme caution. You're basically playing with fire. Keep that in mind when using this for your photo shoots. If it gets too hot too, let me know. You can stop it. Move it to the side. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, or like look around, like look, yeah, look down at it. Looking away, looking out this way. Move the flame to the side a bit, yeah. And moving the flame up a little bit more, yeah. And to the side a bit more, yeah. Okay, turn it off. Lastly, we have these feathers that I bought from, I don't remember where I bought them from. What is that one? Pier 1.
Okay.
You said not Hobby Lobby?
Yeah.
That narrows it down, yeah. How about you like looking out this way? So pretty, so soft. Every time I say soft, I feel like I'm describing toilet paper. I don't know why. Do I have problems? Yeah.
I think of a dog.
Comment what you think when you hear the word soft. Yeah, let's do that. Kind of like to the back. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna do some portraits with this yarn. My cats play with this, by the way. My cats play with this. Just being truthful. They're gonna watch this video and be like, that's where it went.
Right, that's my toy.
That's literally mine. Yeah, these are gonna be cool. We just gotta get like the right angle, the right perspective. Yeah, those are cool. Don't cover too much of your eye. Make it go from the, yeah, right there. Great. Yeah, stay right here. And bring this hand closer to my lens, yeah. Great, yes, those are awesome. Perfect. Jordan comes down, he's like,
The
you need to
next
leave.
style.
We really hope you guys enjoyed watching us take pictures. Thank you, Angelica, for joining me. I haven't seen you in like 15 years.
I know.
It's been way too long.
I missed you.
Oh, I missed you too.
Thanks for bringing me this cat toy.
So Pico, her dog, is not gonna like this because it smells of cat. So probably taking that back home with me. Sorry, cats. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the portraits, by the way. I hope you guys like them. Leave your thoughts in the comments. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.